Good afternoon, Kurt from KM International, here to talk about the KM 4000 SXPX 2-ton skid-mounted asphalt hotbox reclaimer. We have optionals with extended propane hoses, which will safely and comfortably slide underneath there, or we do have the standard ones where the bottles could be here or mounted separately on the trailer. For starters, you want to make sure that it is on the steel deck of the pickup truck. You do not ever want to put this on a wood trailer or a truck that's got the plastic. It is producing heat, even though it is safe, but it's always best to have safety first. This comes with an automatic changeover regulator, so at nighttime while you're keeping your asphalt at a hot working temperature or reclaiming asphalt, and your bottle with the tape on it here has only got a quarter or less bottle, as long as the other propane bottle is turned on, this will automatically switch over and keep it running. We can go on up front here and show you where the propane bottles are. This is what's nice about the extended propane hoses, is that it allows you to put your bottles up here in a safe working position, strap them down. So with the propane bottles both turned on, and this one is labeled with the red tape on it so that I know which bottle is feeding off of it. You would select your zone over to here on your regulator so that it's knowing that it is feeding off of this hose. If you want it to feed off of this hose, it's simply just roll it over. But we'll continue to drain this bottle first. To get your hot box heating, you simply turn your propane valve, depress the pilot. We have our automatic 12-volt igniter, and when it's quiet out, you'll be able to hear it automatically spark. It is lit. You hang down or hold on to this for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. That'll heat up the 750 millivolt generator. This doesn't operate with a battery, so that will help and run your thermostat. Turn it to the on position and set your thermostat. It'll stop at 350 degrees. That is typically plant operation temperature of asphalt. You do want to check with your local asphalt plants what you're purchasing it at. Some folks are getting warm mix asphalt, which only can go on up to the 280 degree area. If you're running cold mix, you simply run it to the lowest setting of around 80 to 100 degrees. Again, check with your local asphalt and cold mix dealer. To check and make sure that your burner's on, if the light allows you to, we're kind of bright out here today, you can look through here and you will be able to see the burner and the pilot being lit, as well as the burner itself being lit. Sometimes it is a little bit hard to see with direct sunlight. You'll also be able to safely put your hand over here and feel the heat coming out. But be cautioned, it is hot air coming out. So pretend now that we're at the asphalt plant and we're wanting to open up our doors. Simply release that latch. Pull your safety pin, release this latch. With your safety prop rod, you will put it in your loop here. Put your cotter key in so that it doesn't slip out. And it's very easy to open up your door to allow you to go underneath the asphalt plant, as well as a safety area so that you can put your prop rod right here so a strong wind isn't going to come by and shut your door on top of you. To close the door, it is shock assist hinged, so it does make it easy to open and close. Pull your safety pin and latch your doors down. You can either put your loading bar in here, or there is room for it to go up into here. And you can safely pin it through here. These are actually secure and locked down for your Hotbox, whether it goes in the bed of a truck or on a flatbed or on your own trailer. This is one of many ways that you can securely latch down your 4000. We'll go to the back and I'll point out others. What we have is some straps pulling it forward and back. If it's going to be permanently mounted on a truck or a trailer, we have the fork pockets here, which has a bolt hole which allows you to drill and bolt your Hotbox into position. Operation: the door simply slides up. This spring will lock it in position. Asphalt shovel and an asphalt chute. Simply shovel your asphalt out and you have a nice work platform here. To close the door, simply pull the spring, allow the door to come down. Some folks like to operate it with the tailgate on, some folks take the tailgate off. This chute will open up and fold, allowing you to close your tailgate if you'd rather. Thank you.